siasa robotirondo mwanchu morigeria niko bondo morokia monene w'esukuru y'oboroso ya Bokebo igotokeme ya Ntimaru county ya Kuria ensemo ya Kuria county ya Migori hase erieta Philip Mosabi achiro mutimuko maiga yokoenekia obokoreri bwaye asegeka k'emyaka 15 niko bono Professor Constantine Matoke Nyamboga oyikira nasomo igoyo kurwa Eyunibasiti ya Tangaza araririe humoyega hoyo asatebire bono maiga ya machibu ya ABAOROKIGWA habu gosoka barigeti gosoase Eyunibasiti kobwatokwa niko bona aboririe abaibori na boigo higati ya ABAOROKIGWA abo machibu abo hataba gogetie banyare ko babakobeka emeroberio yogosoase Eyunibasiti ya Tangaza wegasomo igonde bokwenekia ABAOROKIGWA besukuru ya secondary ya St Paul's Igonga kwa nyarabare obosemia hime bunge ya Bonchari Professor Nyamboga niko bona ASEGETIRE ABAOROKIGWA bokobeka OMOKIA na GOTIGA GOSAMBA CHISUKURU muri kito Petuel machine no arenga sayo roboti rwa senchiro bwikira
Nasumaiga bokwenda mutimoko maiga yogokora emirimo y'obworokia buno mworokia manene ase esukuru y'oboroso ya Bokebo igotoka Ntimaru Kuria county ya Migori asireta Philip Mosabi asiga k'emyaka 15 aiga nigo Professor Nyamboga kurwa ya Tangaza magani ko kagukwana niga tugire Philip aso wikira n'imirimo ya emia
nona arengere roga iga sakurwa Ntimaru eyere Kuria sub county au Migori county onacha gosherekea na abaminto abakuri mama na abaminto nacha gosherekea enyangi yo minto Philip Mosabi konyore principal go headmaster yesukuru ye abero for 15 good years ligia igongo sababa kuri abonsi ipi especially parents babwa tio musingi yo Philip nanya wetera ogosomi kwaya nanya ragosomi abana buya nandi nyasaga gancha balikiru
mugeni onde bwesiko mwaziri bw'ekini county ya Migori Andrew Mwera nigo akwandira nako basaba abayibuli kubwatirana eri gukoromo cyane bo gosamba CHISUKURU ibikoro byanekiwe asubonga matika bwangiga.
I know that we have an issue that needs to be done. The Ministry of Education needs to come hand in hand, the parents, our teachers, so that we can work in unison, so that we can help our schools to prosper. I want to encourage the pupils to always look for amicable ways of solving issues within our schools instead of resorting to violence, instead of resorting to behaviors that are not godly. I want to encourage our students to resort to dialogue so that we can always have a conversation with the issues that are affecting them, so that we can always successfully solve the issues that we have instead of banning schools. And most of the times these schools, we are the people, the parents, we are the people who will always have to, to reconstruct them.
Abana mubasomi basika abalimu besika abanyene basike n'abasasi ogosamba chinyomba tuakanire kyara togosamba chinyomba katwasambire abana basamba nande tuacha ande nintugo cyakora ninu mugo cyakwagacha
na maiga ya machibu ya ABAOROKIGWA bagosoa Eyunibasiti akobwato kwa AKiga nigabo iboli baboriwe kwira abana babo ase Eyunibasiti ya Tangaza ayo amachibu abo atabagogetia Eyunibasiti kiri ao barangeretiwe
munabona Philip natata abana Tangaza igongo saba abayiboli bamintese mwabeta results ntia kiteigoro a message yana neria monga akere simbali bo manyete toba ekikosi kiri mutagete kiagara ni maite results ya so ya kups abange mwanga akere jisimi mwali anjiranete ekaro mubwate chinsa monga akere jisimi mwakere nsoko TV na moko nore namba yana na momobolia ekaro mwanga akeire toeresane abana bayinondolenga kingo bakonya omotie nyonde tare 17 baje Tangaza kora program cheji degree na ndiko kora program chia TVET.
Take this opportunity to appeal to people from Migori County to join Tangaza. Tangaza is a smart university, it's a very good university. Please, all those who are yearning to join university courses to secure chances, Tangaza is there for you. Just feel most welcome. You can liaise with me to get contacts. I can connect with Professor Nyamboga so that you can meet your expectations. Parents, please make sure you assist your sons and daughters to join Tangaza University with the flexible fee payment. By joining Tangaza University, I can assure you, you'll never regret.
Encourage our students to join Tangaza University so that they can pursue the courses of their dreams. It is a university that is remarkable, and it is known, it is ISO certified, and I know that we are getting courses and programs that are that we require in the current society. They are marketable, and we have enough resources in terms of the education programs that we need for us to prosper.
Nigobiga suma igonde wakwaborokiwa b'esukuru ya sekondari ya St. Paul's Igonga aboseme mebwe abonchari Profesa Nyamboga segetira aborokiwa bokobeka OMOKIA botambe na gotiga gosamba CHISUKURU.
Felix Anemanas, mimi mwenyewe, I'll buy you a phone of 38,000 shillings. And it is. I am at the university called Tangaza. Tangaza is a university sponsored by the Catholics. The same way you hear of Strathmore is the university sponsored by Catholics. The way you hear of Catholic University of East Africa is also sponsored by the Catholics. And I will assure you for free, they are wonderful universities in terms of quality. The only universities that may give us a challenge will be only Aga Khan, and most likely United States International and Daystar. But again, many of you from the humble background, if you don't package yourself well, you may not qualify to join that, because sometimes you can get your A, but again, we must say that we do.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kore county ya Kisii, Chepethwell, Machin.